Hello friends, today I'm best topic of friends, free Paytm earning friends, and my name is Vishal Kumar friends, and my channel please subscribe payment pro Vishal Kumar friends, and I will show my fifth live withdraw friends in payment pro friends in Paytm. Friends, please do not skip people watch the full video friends, and this app is interesting. You have a daily contest click friends, and I will show friends how to earn and how to withdraw. You have first you daily join, you click to spin and you click to spin, and this is I am completed my spin, and this is my earning friends, and I click to my first to my wallet, click to my wallet, and this is my passbook, and this is my transfer to my payment received friends. I click to withdraw, and friends minimum balance is 25, and click to withdraw friends, and congratulations you started you few seconds friends, and I am receiving my payment proof. Click to my wallet, passbook, and you see this received my 25 rupees my passbook friends, and see this friend 24 October 24 October 24 successful friends, and I will show my mail. See this friend 25 rupees added in my top queues friends. See this friend 25 rupees, and this is my message. You see this friend, congratulations, and congratulations you have received in top queues 25 rupees friends. Friends, this app is super friends, and this is how to earn friends, and I will show this watch here. Go back, click to contest, and this is your contest you play friends. First your coins, get my link, join, and you get you true or false, and this is more of income friends. Easy you pay and join this app friends, and this is interesting super friends, and extra you more of income, you click to watch your video, and free coins friends, and friends click to lottery, and lottery your coins you join, you more of income, extra income friends. Friends, please like, subscribe, and share friends, and thank you my video watching friends.